So,
CST window is visible to you, sir?
yeah, it is visible actually.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
actually, the horn. How did you design that horn? That feed horn?
Actually, yes, sir. Here in CST 2021, there is a option, sir. Macro
Okay.
construct. On demo example, there is a horn antenna option is there, sir.
Okay.
Once I click it, it is automatically coming.
No, 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 no. Actually, no, no, no. You should not choose that antenna because it will have its own. It is based on feed tapper. We have to select the horn size. Okay.
Okay.
So for time being, you can use this, but this is not a proper horn. Can you zoom it and see?
Yes, sir.
Waveguide, there is no flaring is not available. So it is giving automatically this size only.
Yes, sir. It is automatically giving this size.
No, no, no. I think no. You can draw this
Okay.
horn antenna. That doesn't matter. So
Okay.
what you can do is see there are standard waveguide dimensions are there. Okay,
Yes,
standard
sir.
waveguide dimensions are there.
Okay, sir.
So for example, if it is expand, you will have a sizes, which means width is 22.86
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
height is 10.16 Okay,
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
so that you can design. That is better actually.
Okay.
Don't use this
Sure.
one because we don't know. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I will
Okay.
do that thing, sir.
So okay. Okay. So
Uh, Here the options are coming like this, sir.
okay. Okay.
This is
Because
valid.
the problem is, oh, you can edit that
Yes, sir. Means
on.
it's
Can
looking.
you edit that?
Yes, sir. It is
Okay. The
somewhat
thing is,
possible,
say
sir.
what? Okay. Then it's fine. Okay. Then you can edit here itself. For example, whichever
Yes,
band
sir.
you are going, that band you can
Yes.
select it. No problem.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. And
Okay.
here,
Then you,
what
it
is
is no
this
need
shell, sir?
to draw. That is shell means inside that solid is there, right? They removed
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, with the
Okay.
thickness. So they've drawn that complete block, three-dimensional block. Then they
Okay.
removed that inner part. That's what is this one shell.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Actually, it is outside, sir. By
So
seeing the books, I selected this is inside.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
And
Okay.
I was
So the thing
mainly
is,
I have.
see, thing is, that length of the waveguide, right? It should be approximately 2 lambda or 3 lambda. Otherwise, this propagation will not happen properly. Which band is this?
Okay. Actually, this is 5.8 gigahertz, sir. I designed for it.
5.8 gigahertz, which is C
Yes,
band, I
sir.
think.
Yes, sir.
C band horn, you can check in the net. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you
Okay,
go
sir.
to internet? Internet? Can you open the Google Chrome?
Huh?
Okay. In that C band horn, no, no, no. C band waveguide dimensions, like that you can mention. It is these are all standard gain horns. Okay.
Okay.
So initially you can start with this, then you can waveguide dimensions. Yes. This is the one.
Yes, sir.
3.95 to 5.85. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the number
Okay, sir.
WR159,
Okay.
WR13 equivalent is. So these are the some of the no, there will be standard dimension will be there.
Okay.
WR90 something like that. Okay. So
Okay.
you can use whichever suits to you. You can use that. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
The
I
dimensions,
will.
the waveguide dimensions are given. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you can
I will.
feed that dimensions. Yeah, feed that
Okay.
dimension. Second point
Okay.
is your length should be right. So length of the wave. Can you zoom it? The waveguide part is there, right? Waveguide
Yes, sir.
part
Yes, sir.
on the left, the smaller one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
length, you should have a sufficient one. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is very difficult because I think some mode T10 mode propagation, will not be. You are not giving enough space, enough length to propagate properly. Then it will
Okay.
flare. Okay. then
Oh,
impedance
okay.
matching transformation will happen. So
Okay.
that's why I'm telling you. So you have to give at least 2 to 3 lambda. That is the
Okay.
minimum
Okay.
3 lambda. You
Okay.
can give 2 to 3 lambda then because then it will work properly. What you
Okay.
have to do is see the speed and all you have to design separately, okay?
Okay.
Separately and
Okay.
simulate it, okay?
Okay.
Then whether
Okay.
you are getting that behavior correctly or not, that you have to check speed, okay?
Okay.
For
Okay.
example, radiation pattern is fine, and how what is the matching we are getting for this
Okay.
speed?
Okay, sir.
What is the
Sure.
matching we are getting for this speed?
Sure, sir. Definitely, I go to the standard values.
Yeah, yeah. No, no,
And
no. That's okay. So what I'm telling is you have to simulate the horn separately, okay?
okay,
Then you
okay,
have
sir.
to evaluate the horn features. For example,
Yes.
impedance matching, radiation pattern, everything. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, please. Now, what do you want to ask?
Yes, sir. Actually, there is a port option is there. This port one.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I cannot understand these options, sir.
No, no, no. You should not. No, 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 no. You should not use this port. Okay. You have to
Okay.
use how. I think no, no, no. Okay, okay. You can use no problem. Can
Okay.
you remove this port? I can tell you how to do that. This is plane wave excitation. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, when you are having feed, then remove the port. I can tell you. Remove the port. Okay. So
Uh,
can you go to horn front face?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Backside, backside.
That's it.
Yeah. Here. Can you zoom it bit? Scroll down. Yeah. Now press yes. Press yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and then go to side wall. Side wall. No, no,
Okay.
no, not that. Say no, no, no. Front
No, no,
wall.
sir. Side one.
This
Yes,
wall.
sir.
No. This one. Waveguide aperture. Yeah, this one only. Just go right.
Where?
No. Left.
Left.
Actually, I'm telling that aperture. Aperture.
Okay.
This one. Double
Okay.
click it. Double click it. Okay. Now you select the waveguide port.
Which? What is the option, sir?
Simulation. Simulation.
Combination.
No. Simulation.
Yes, sir.
Waveguide port.
Okay.
Waveguide port.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So here, yeah, you can give this one mode and everything. Okay, fine. Okay, give okay. And one more thing that the polarization angle is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Polarization angle on the bottom. Can you
Yes,
go
sir.
to that? Can you click on that?
Yes, sir.
Now go to, no. Can you move this window right side? No. Can you move this window right side? There is an arrow, is there, right? Green arrow.
Yes. Yes, sir. Green arrow
Green
is there.
arrow is along x-axis. But
Yes, sir.
if you want vertical polarization, then you have to excite this to, for example, 90 degree. Okay,
Okay.
90 polarization angle should be 90.
Okay.
If
Okay.
your
Okay.
vector should be if your vector want to be in y direction, then you have to give 90.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Give 90, 90.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Preview it. Can you see there?
Yes, sir.
The green. Yeah,
Yes,
it
sir.
is
Green
going there,
screen.
right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is how you have to put it. Okay. Then you
Yes, sir.
can give okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Now I have doubt, sir. What is this free, full, and use picks? What is this mean, sir?
No. Use pix means whatever if you select that, no, that coordinate, it will automatically take it. X
Okay.
min, X max, Y min, Y max, all that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And full plane means it will be completely free means you can edit whatever you want. Wherever you want to place, you can place. Free
Which one,
means
sir?
wherever you want to free means
Okay.
you can
Well,
you can feed that value directly.
okay.
For
Okay.
example, sometime we want to tilt the port or something like that. Okay, so
Okay.
that time we can use this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so
Okay,
yeah,
sir.
so full plane means it will completely cover the whole plane. Okay,
Okay.
that's why.
Okay.
So you have to use pix. Yeah,
Okay. Okay, sir.
no, it's okay.
And one more thing,
Actually,
jet.
no, over the Z position is actually it is automatically taking because that is the Z position, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
from the origin, it is at 430 mm. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
go to that. Okay, give okay. Worth 430, right? Give okay.
Okay, sir. One second, sir. What is
Give
this
okay.
number? Actually, we are giving TE mode and TM mode whenever
One.
we are exiting. Here it is showing
Then
only
you
one
give
mode.
two. If you
Okay.
want to two, then you can give two. But I don't think this will give you T and all.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Yeah, you can give. Yeah. You can get it. Yeah, you can to give two. That's fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think but first you can try with one mode. Then you can try.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then actually distance. No, can you zoom out? Can you zoom out? Yeah. See from the that axis is there, right? Your
Yes, sir.
reflector is there, right?
Yes, sir.
That from that to that particular port position, no, it is
Yes, sir.
230 or 430, whatever it
Yes,
is.
sir.
Okay.
Actually, I'm giving 400 mm.
Yeah. 400 mm. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, but what is the FFD you are following?
Actually, based on the previous review paper, just I am giving trial and error, sir. I am not going to that deep. Just for this
Okay.
OM structure,
Yeah,
10
yeah. You can
lambda.
try to reproduce that. Yeah, you
Yeah,
can
sure,
try
sir.
to reproduce that. Then
Sure, sir.
we can.
10 lambda I'm giving. And so suppose if I want to, so here this is 0 incident. Suppose I want to change theta equals to 10 and phi value is different. How to give that type of excitation, sir? By using this?
Here, no. That is actually in that we don't have option. We have to tilt the horn only. You have to
Okay,
move the horn, okay, to
okay,
that direction.
okay,
You have to rotate the horn.
okay,
That
okay, sir.
is so that is a realistic one, right?
Okay,
You have to rotate the horn. Then
okay, okay,
then
sir.
why you are giving that full space? That open space over this much distance not
Actually,
required.
here I am giving 400 mm, sir. I am observing OM wave at 800 mm. That means we are maintaining from reflector to horn 10 lambda distance. We are observing that reflected wave on 20 lambda.
Okay. But that is it will take much time, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, in previous before that result, I am already simulated, sir. I am getting those graphs also.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Now,
Now,
the few things, three things is that, first one, what you have to do is you have to simulate the horn separately, then you
sure, sir.
ensure that it is operating in that band or not. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure,
Is
sir.
our second point is you have
Sir.
to, like, you can use this one. Yes. Okay.
Sure, sir. Uh,
So, is there anything else you want to discuss?
yes, sir. In this
Yeah, you
boundary
can use
condition,
this one. Yeah, symmetric plane you can use. Yes.
yes, sir. What is this
No. Y
symmetry?
is a plane. I think that is, yeah, correct. Magnetic electric, correct only.
Okay.
Can you rotate that one? I can show you. Can you rotate that other window? No, back side. Yeah, this one. Rotate right side. Right side.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sorry, one
No,
second,
no,
sir.
no, right side. Yeah, yeah. See,
Yes, sir.
so your electric field will be in along, XZ axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Electric field actually, it will be in the XY plane. Okay.
Okay.
So, which means we have to, you have to imagine, like, T mode, how it excites.
Okay.
Okay. Tell you. Like, but actually, it is along is that Y direction. Okay. Y
Okay.
direction. Okay.
Okay.
So, XZ, can you select XZ? XZ is what? XZ is this
That
way.
is
This one.
electric
Okay.
field.
Electric. Okay. The YZ is magnetic field. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Correct only. Correct only. So, see, the thing is, uh, that along Y, no, you are exiting electric field. Along
Okay.
X, right, it will have
Okay.
magnetic field. So,
Okay.
because so you are applying symmetry, so that's why we are applying here magnetic and electric. Okay. Along
Okay.
Y, YZ plane means you can see that blue line is there, right? Blue
Yes,
line.
sir. Yes, sir.
Blue line is along the width. That's why we are giving a magnetic field. Okay, and electric field we are giving along means a green one. The
Yes,
X
sir.
is that plane. Okay, green
Oh,
one because it is half of the electric field plane. Actually,
okay.
you can just go through that this one, waveguide part once. Okay, then you will understand this one. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
waveguide radiation, something like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the thing is, see, what you are doing is, see, you have waveguide two dimensions, right? One is
Yes, sir.
width,
Yes,
another
sir.
one is height, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how TU10 mode? Can you go to Google and
Yes, sir. I have that
type
electric field
TU10
is
mode in
yes.
waveguide?
Yes, sir. It is
Yeah.
middle. It is a height.
Electric field will be vertical, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So electric field along what vertical direction, right? If you
Okay.
take that half of the plane, then it is electric plane, right?
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. No.
Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
electrically, it is symmetric. Electric field is symmetric. Okay. So that's why we are taking XZ plane as the this one
Okay.
electric ET equal to 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then
Okay.
magnetic field. This actually it's actually if you have symmetricity, then you can apply this. Otherwise, you can't apply this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. So we cannot
Okay. I
make it.
think I don't think you have a symmetry because horn is something it is not in symmetry. Can you
Okay.
see that?
Mm.
And you can see that upper mouth it is not at all coming, excitation is not at all coming within that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is not exactly symmetrical.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's why
sir.
if you are having symmetric, then you can apply this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So
Uh,
what it will assume there, see, what it will assume is that whatever field it is getting on the above, it will
okay.
consider the same in the bottom also,
Okay, sir.
remaining half also. That is the principle. It is to reduce the simulation time, that's all.
Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Okay, sir. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, sir. And sir, based on the S11 parameters, here we can decide the bandwidth, sir, or we can choose any another type.
S11 we have to check first. Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to check this far field radiation pattern and everything.
Okay,
And
sir.
you can view the E field also 2D stuff, 2D
Ah,
fields
yes, sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
Then you can see how it is reflecting and many things you can do.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'm not still now I confused how to calculate bandwidth for this one. I'm not getting clarity, sir. Once actually in previous I simulated it and I'm getting result, but it is deleted. But generally we are taking S11 parameter. We are calculating bandwidth like that. But here, how to calculate that
Correct, correct.
bandwidth?
Here
Uh,
here also S11 only. See the thing
here
is, see,
also S1.
if you are impedance yeah. See the thing is that impedance bandwidth, right? Impedance
Yes, sir.
bandwidth here it is S11 only. It should be below 10 dB, minus 10 dB.
Okay, below 10 dB.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
that is not an ideal requirement. So
okay,
for at least to start with, we can have 10 dB.
okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then we have to check side lobe levels and everything. Okay.
Okay, sir. So, sir, last one doubt, sir. How to draw that frequency versus phase, sir?
Frequency versus phase.
Yes,
It is
sir.
there in S parameter itself, right? S
Uh,
parameter itself, right?
in post processing,
Yeah.
this,
No
this
need to go to purpose processing. Default
the,
it will come, right? S parameter.
no, not as
MD
parameter,
results.
sir. Frequency versus phase.
Okay. That's what I'm telling. Which phase? S1 phase or what?
Uh, Frequency, not S11 phase. What actually I want to say is, suppose we are changing length, we are calculating phase.
Okay.
Now I want to verify frequency versus for suppose for 1 gigahertz how it phase varying, for 2 gigahertz how it is varying based on incident angle.
Correct. That's what See, if you means reflection phase only you are talking, right? Reflection phase.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you
And
simulate
incident
now, can you
angle.
simulate now?
I will open already
Yeah.
simulated.
You can do it, no problem. Can you simulate? Yeah, please open that. Yeah, this one. Can you see here? No, not this one. Go to only results. Go to only results.
Yes, one. Yes, sir.
Yeah, S parameter. Here you can you go to face?
Face,
Face. Face. On the top. On the top, the face is there, right? No, on the
Okay.
top.
Yes, sir.
1D plot, linear
Okay.
DB clicked.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you click on the face?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I click.
Left.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the face. Frequency versus phase. Here,
Okay.
you can unwrap this. Right click it. Can you right click it?
Yes, sir.
Unwrap this face. Yeah. Plot properties.
Yes, sir.
Plot properties.
Yes, sir. I click plot properties.
Here, face wrap is there, right? Face
Yes,
wrap.
sir. Yes, sir. Under.
On right face wrap, you can you can remove that unwrap.
Okay. Okay. This is a confusion, sir. Actually, I'm everyone
Yes.
showing this linear type of curve, but I'm not getting this type of curve. How they are
Yeah.
okay unwrap?
Yes.
Okay, this is the
Yes.
option.
Yes. It will unwrap. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine, sir. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Now I clarified, sir.
Okay. So, is there
Okay, sir.
anything else?
Nothing, sir.
Anything else
No,
you
sir.
want
No,
to
sir.
discuss?
That's fine, sir. Actually, I will simulate more structures, and I will, especially, I will
Yeah.
design my own HARN antenna. Then I will simulate it.
No, but definitely. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And once
Thank you
my
so much. Okay.
and take care, sir. In this pandemic situation, so many.
Yeah. Same to you also. Same to you
Yesterday
also.
also, my
Take
classmate
care
also
and
expired, sir, due to COVID.
due to COVID.
Yes, sir. He is only 30 years, and my
Oh,
brother and my classmate.
he expired, huh?
Yes, sir. Expired. He is my
Oh,
childhood onwards. He is my classmate up to BTech.
oh my God. Yeah.
That's why in this
Okay.
situation, it's very dangerous. We have only one option.
Yeah. Correct. So take care. No, don't worry. So if you want any help, no, please do contact me. So I
Sure,
can
sir.
do my best.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. I will share the recording.
Yeah. Yeah.